All right. So, real quick, I'm going to give you guys the data that I have so far for the month of July. The month isn't over, but I'm just going to give you from my last trade from July 17th. Okay. So, real quick, I do not use any trading journal that syncs my accounts because I am a prop firm trader and I'm constantly changing my accounts because when you trade with prop firms, you have a challenge account, you have a pro account, then you do like a pro plus account, and that's what take profit. So do I don't my it's not collecting data from my strategy, it's only collecting data from each of those accounts, and it starts from the beginning, if that makes sense. So I personally put all my data into AI, okay, and I track it. No matter what account, it's still the same strategy. So I have to, track my strategy no matter what. So I can care less about tracking what an account is. I want the data from my strategy. So, anyways, as you can see, June was a tough month for me. I was actually in the negative for the month of June. All right. And just to be a little bit more transparent, my account size is $25,000, which is really only $1,500 because if I blow $1,500, I blow the account. So I'm only working with $1,500 a month. That's the only leverage I have. Okay. July is looking pretty sweet. Okay. I can't really complain about June. If July keeps this up, I'm going to be a really happy person. All right. So this is one account. I'm working to get this account funded. I'm literally in a trade right now. Today is Sunday, but this data is from Friday, the close of the last week. Okay. So I'm literally like $300 away from getting this account funded. I got this account. Actually, this is going on the second month because I got this account in June. And as you can see, June was negative for me. Okay. Again, just being transparent. I sometimes I can get funded in a month or less than a month, in a week or a couple of weeks. And sometimes I can't really control what happens. I just, stick to my data and just follow through with that. Okay. And I go 1 to 2. So I'm risking $200 to gain $400. I used to do 1 to 1, but now I do 1 to 2. Okay. And so it's basically I'm risking 10 points to gain 20 points. All right. I used to go 1 to 1, but I noticed with 1 to 1, you have to have like a really high win rate. And 1 to 2 for me, it's like, okay, I can get anything over like 40%. I think I'm profitable. All right. So having anything above 45% is fabulous for going 1 to 2. All right. So this is just me being transparent and just showing you guys what following the data and how important that is, especially for strategies. And this particular strategy I've been tracking since the end of January. As you can see, January only has 4 trades. So I really been trading it since February, I guess we could say that. And this is how important data really is for trading. Like, I guess what I'm saying is if you track the data, you're going to know to stay in the game no matter what. You got to track your progress. You got to track your trades. I've been trading for 5 to 6 years now, and I know so many different strategies, and I don't care no matter what. Always track your data. No matter if you're testing a strategy, keep tracking your old strategy while you're testing a new strategy. Like, I know so many strategies and I have so much data behind each of these strategies. It's just going to give you the confidence to stay in the game. Okay. It's going to give you the confidence to stay committed. All right. So that's all I wanted to share. Hopefully July ends strong. If it doesn't, it is what it is. I love this strategy. I have over almost 200 trades with this strategy. And I look at this strategy. I know it says Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday only, but I look at the strategy every trading day when the market is open. I'm looking at the strategy and I'm tracking the data from this strategy. Okay. So, and then I have AI break it up into what these days, those times, these times. Okay. AI can do a lot of stuff, which when it comes to data, just make sure you're writing and tracking down everything, which your strategy. All right. I could really care less about how much money I'm winning. Okay. My wins, my losses, all that other stuff, I can really care much less about the dollar amount. I just need the data, okay, of my strategy, because I can look back at this months from now and I can see like what the pool is from this strategy, okay? And I can see what a losing streak looks like in this strategy. It just builds confidence, and when you build confidence, it